All right, you guys. Thank you for taking this or retaking it or checking it, however you do it. So take a look. You can't count the unit squares, but that's okay because you can see the length is 1, 2, 3 units by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units, right? So this row has 6, this row has 6, and this row has 6, or 3 by 6, 3 times 6, which is 18 square units. All right, so hopefully that helps. Again, right here, 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, even though they're covered up. You know, this is 3 times 4 because number 1, or down here, base times height, length times width. 3 times 4 is 12. That makes sense, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am pretend counting the units inside that. If you could see them, you could see, okay? What's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 times 7. You can either do skip counts by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That time I just went down. I pretended to count the units that would be down. Here we go. 5 times 4. That's it. That's what we're doing here. That's the area. The area is the height times the base. 20 meters squared, 20 square meters. 9 times 4. Again, it's important to have your math facts. You can absolutely use a calculator as you develop those skills. So the more you do this, 9 times 4, try to say it though, try to learn it, is 36. You can also do 9 times 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, put that finger down, 3, 6, 36. I don't know if that was the right direction for you. I was trying to do it backwards. 36 kilometers squared. 80, 8 times 10. Whenever you multiply by 10 or divide by 10, you're just moving place values. That's what's pretty cool. You're adding a 0, you're taking away a 0, you're either moving the decimal left or right. Just think about it. Does that make sense? What are you talking about, Ms. Reynolds? 80 square feet. There it is. All right, 6 times 24. Here we go. 6 times 24, you can use the distributive property. Watch, you could do 6 times 12, 20, which is 120, because 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 times 20 is 120. That's the 20. Now you do 6 times 4, which you should have memorized as 24. It's just part of math facts. Or you can do partial products, or you can skip count. 6 times 24 is 144. It's the same as 120 plus 24. Awesome. So let's do that again. 6 times 24, 144 centimeters squared. Almost done. True for a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal lengths. It has 3 sides. It has at least 3 sides, but not just 3 sides. We're going to move on. The formula. Yes, this should be in your notes. Length times width. That little x is times. The corners are all 90 degrees. Right angles. Right angles. 90 degrees. Rectangle, right angle. Good job. What is the area of a rectangle whose length is 6 feet and width is 4 feet? Length times width. So even though there's no picture, you can still use the words to see the length is 6, the width is 4. Hopefully you realize that's 24. But if not, 6 times 4, length times width, equals 24 square feet. Okay. Last question. What is the area of a rectangle-shaped yard enclosed by a fence that is 35 feet along the north side and 20 feet along the west side? Never eat soggy waffles. So 35 feet up here, 20 feet there. It doesn't matter. It tells you how long, how tall, or how height. It tells you the base. Let's do it. Ready? 35 times 20. 700 square feet. Well done.